Hello, I'm a UAP student and this video will contain creating website using Laravel application and connecting in our database using the SAM control panel application. So first, I prepared this application here na gagamitin natin para sa output na ipapakita ko sa video na ito. So first, we have here the SAM control panel na ating gagamitin for our database and table. Then, next we have the visual code. So, dito tayo magko-code. But for me, I prepare this to be ready na para hindi na maging mahaba ang video na ito. At kung iisa-isahin ko pa po ay baka mapahaba lang ang video na ito at abutin pa tayo ng isang araw. So first, I start the Apache and my MSQL here. So, pupunta na tayo sa localhost ng SAM control panel na ito. So here, na-open ko na siya kanina. We have this, localhost. So, ito yung magiging database natin. We have the database name activity here. And ito na po yung mga nilalaman niya. We have the tables here. So, mamaya, magpapakita na dito kung ano po yung laman ng ating website mamaya na may encounter ng ating database. So, it's like this. This is an example of our galing sa ating users using the website. So, next po tara tayo sa visual code. Here. So, ito na po yung DB name collection natin to connect in our database. We have here the route controller of our apps. We have here the models. We have the messages and the users and some other codes here. And we have resources, the CSS, we have the views. Then views, ito yung makikita natin sa ating website later on na ipapakita natin sa video na ito. We have the about, the blog, the contact, the index, the portfolio, the service, reviews, and other index here or indicator na makikita sa ating website later on. So first, kailangan natin pumunta sa ating website and first we have to type this composer install para sa ating Laravel na magagamit na app. So next, mag-generate na yan. Then, after that, type this PHP artisan pre-generate here. Then, magsa-successfully na siya. And next, we have to type the PHP artisan migrate. Then, lalabas na yung name na ating create na database. This is the activity database. So, next, generate that. Then, type the PHP artisan serve. And lalabas na itong link ng ating website. So here, this is our website. Kung makikita nyo yung number kanina na link na nasa ating visual code, ay ito na po iyon. So this is the website creating using our visual code and connecting in our database. You have this home page. So, gumamit tayo dito ng carousel. Then, the about. The short description about our website. Then, we have the service na ino-offer ng ating company or website. Then, we have this more. This indicator more. Then, makikita natin yung mga iba pang nilalaman ng website natin. We have the blogs, testimonials. Yes, the reviews here. Makikita. Terms and conditions, meron din. And lahat po yan ay may function and laman. So, next here, meron tayong contact us to the So, here, we have the contact us. Kailangan mo lang i-fill itong mga andito. Like, sample here. This. Then, subject. ikaw nang bahala kung ano kaya kung gusto mo ilagay. But for me, I'm supposed to type because as a subject, the message is a good quality. Then, save now. Then, after that, pupunta na yan sa local host admin natin. So, in admin user, kailangan nang makita kung napunta na ba at nabasa na ng ating database ang sinend na information ng ating user. So, we're going to back here. Then, we have to browse lang. Ito. We have in our messages. So, ito na, magpapakita na yung mga in-enter natin kanina. So, dito, magpapakita. Yan. So, that is the latest na add sa ating database. So, that's it. Kailangan lang natin explore ng maigi ang SAM control panel and the visual code and the Laravel application para sa website na ating ginagawa. So, that's it po. Thank you.